I'm going to use these two images here. So now just go to image and then canvas size. Make sure that the keep aspect ratio here is unchecked. Since, for example, we just want to increase the width of the canvas, you can also change the value, for example, pixels, percent, or centimeters. So I'm going to go with pixels. And now you can either enter value here, so double click, let's type 3000, press enter, or so let's go back 1920, press enter. You can do calculations, so I'm just going to left click inside and then use the right arrow key in my keyboard to move the cursor to the right, and then type asterisk and then type 2. This will multiply the width by 2 and just press enter. So here it is, and now press OK. And now let's select the zoom tool, right click, zoom out. And now we need to align these two layers here, select the move tool. Let's select the top one, the top layer, left click up here, make sure the align is canvas. And now I'm just going to click on this icon here, align right edges. So here it is, it moved this layer to the right. Now I'm going to hide it, select this one here, left click on canvas, and then here, just left click here, align left edges. And now you can still, for example, increase the size, just click on transform controls. And now I'm just going to increase the size like this inside.